Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 45S and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. What we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding the button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. And after the watch turns on and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages. Because I forgot to mention, basically you can pair this watch in two ways with the phone. You can pair it during the setup process, basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And you can also pair it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set it up without pairing it with a phone. So first I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so once the watch turns on and you see the list of languages, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, select it, and then press the start button. As you can see, now we're being asked if we want to pair our watch with a phone. We want to do it, so we can select yes and press start. Now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our phone, so make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store and download the Garmin Connect application. So tap on search, type in Garmin Connect and tap on search, and you should see this application right here. Tap on install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open the app. In the application, you will need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account button right here, make a new one and use it to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap next, and here I'm gonna enter the email and password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and then we can tap on next to log in. If you see this pop up on the screen, tap on allow access and tap on allow. And the app should start searching for the nearby devices and should detect your watch automatically. Once it does, tap on connected, tap on allow, enter the code from the watch, tap on OK, then tap on next. Here we can set up the bedtime. Basically, you can select the time on which you go to sleep and the time on which you wake up, and this is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. Basically, it will turn off or mute all of the notifications during the sleep. If you want to use this feature, set up the bedtime, then set up the sleep time, or rather wake time, and then tap on next. And if you want to use the feature, tap on yes. If you don't, tap on no. Here you can agree to send the current data to your new watch, so basically the data from the app to your new watch if you want to. Then tap on next, and right here we can allow the notification access. And this is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you want to do it, tap on allow and then tap on allow. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. Next we have the location permission. This is useful if you want to track your activities on the map. For example, let's say you want to go for a run and you want to see your route on the map, you need to allow the location permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. To allow it, you need to tap on permissions here, then find the location, tap on it, and tap on allow. Either the allow while using the app or allow all the time. I believe the app will bother you to allow it for all the time. I'm just gonna allow it for now like this. Then we can go back. Next we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to see the events on your calendar and stuff like that on your watch. If you don't care, you can skip it. I'm gonna just allow it for the sake of the video. Next we have the call log access. This is useful if you want to see who's calling you on your phone, because you can have the notifications for the calls. And if you want to use this feature, tap on allow. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. Next we have the phone call access, same stuff, basically the phone calls. The SMS, so basically messages. If you want to see the notifications about the messages on your watch, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. And then tap on sync now. Finish. And you can go through the tutorial onto how to use the watch. I'm just gonna tap on skip, finish, and we have the My Day page. Okay, now we can tap on more, Garmin devices, and you should see your S45 right here on the list of devices. You can tap on it to open the device page for it. Okay, so now the devices are paired together, and that's how you pair the watch through the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the pairing mode on the watch through the settings after the watch has been already set up. So I'm gonna remove it from here too, like that. Now we're gonna enter the pairing mode on our watch. To do it, press and hold the up button right here to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by pressing the down button, find the option called the phone. Once you find it, press the start button, then find the option called the pair phone, press the start button, and it will enter the pairing mode. Now you can open the app, and of course you will need to log in if you installed it for the first time, and it will detect the watch, or rather it will start looking for the watch automatically. But if you're already logged in and the app is installed, you can tap on plus right here, or by tapping on more, Garmin devices, and add device, and it will start looking for the nearby devices. It should detect your watch, and basically you need to do the same stuff as we did before. So you need to enter the PIN, you will need to set the bedtime. You can also change the select if you want to send the data to your watch and stuff like that. You won't need to deal with the permissions if you already have them set up. So for example, I already dealt with the permissions, selected what I want to allow, what I want to deny, and the app stayed on my phone. I didn't uninstall it, so basically it will remember my choices, so it won't ask us about the permissions again. Okay. Oh, never mind, it's asking us about the location permission. Like I said, it's gonna be bothering you about the location permission, because it wants the location permission for all the time, not only while using the app. Quite pesky about that. Okay. Then finish. Skip the tutorial, finish. And we have the device page, and we can tap on that now. Got it. Here we have our watch. We can tap on more, Garmin devices, and here we have our watch. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.